Hello and good morning. I salute you from the beautiful state of Florida, where this coming Saturday I was meant to cover Inter Miami against the Colorado Rapids. Yesterday was my birthday, April 2nd, and I came down to Florida in order to embark on a journey that I was going to call the Summer of Soccer Tour, to bring the best soccer atmospheres in America right to your screens. What has happened instead though is that all my video equipment, 2 brand new cameras, my laptop, my external hard disk, hard copies of every video that I've ever produced have been destroyed in an incident that I will not go into. But the fact is that I do not know how to continue on this journey, because I am not in a position financially yet to replace all this equipment, because I'm not earning money on YouTube yet. To an extent, I really think that everything happens for a reason, and it got me thinking whether this is even what I'm meant to be doing, whether this channel and my videos even serve a purpose. And so the only option that I've got right now is, first of all, to thank you all for your support so far. Thanks for all the views, thanks for all the comments, all the encouragement. And I generally don't like being a beggar, but the only option I've got at this point is to leave it with you guys, to leave it with my viewers. Because without you, I'm nothing. If nobody watches my videos, what am I producing them for, right? So down in the description of this video, you will find a couple of things. Number 1 is a GoFundMe link. Number 2 is my PayPal, in case you don't want to go through the platform. Number 3 is the Addictionfootball email address, in case you got anything else to say, you got anything else to offer me, you got a company, sponsorships. I'm pretty much open to anything at this point, and even if none of this yields any rewards, then I guess I'm good with this project coming to an end, because as I said, I am nothing without my viewers. So as always, thanks for watching, thanks for your support thus far, and I might see you in the next one.